Your mood is greatly impacted by the foods you eat. Your gut is your second brain, and you are telling your mainframe, your actual brain that's in your head, that it's okay to drink your depression through excessive alcohol drinking, or that it's okay to eat your anxiety through junk food with no real substance of nutrition for your body. When they say you are what you eat, it's truth. No shade intended, though. So I ask you, who are you? How do you feel? Here are 3 ways to practice balanced nutrition in your life. Since I've moved from Detroit to Florida, it's been amazing to learn new ways to have a better balanced life. And one of the things that I've learned to do is to stop overeating, or just eating all the damn time. Just like our minds need time to process the world around us, your gut health, it needs time to process, or in other words, digest the food, which is energy for your body. The number 2 thing that I just think is you just need to do this no matter what. Eat more whole foods. And when I'm talking about whole foods, I'm talking about adding in more veggies and fruits into whatever you love to eat. No matter if you enjoy dining out or cooking from home, just make sure that you add those 2 types of things in: more veggies and more fruits. Now, let's look at this from a spiritual perspective. When you eat a meal that's not prepared by you, say you decide you go out and eat, you have to think of it this way, or try and think of it this way. You're inviting energies, other people's energies, into your body. When you're preparing, allowing someone else to prepare your food, this is what's happening. And not everyone in this world has peace of mind or is really good in a spiritual sense, or healthy in their own spirituality. Most can be spiritually conflicted, and that energy or that aura is now in that food because their hands are involved in that food. The energy from themselves is involved in the preparation of it. And so now you have their energy in your food. And just before you consume it, think of doing this. Bless your food. I know a lot of us have gone away from praying for our food or blessing our food. Doesn't matter what your faith is. Bless your damn food. You want it to have the good energy that comes from the words of your mouth that will be entered back into your body. So bless your food, or at least cook from home. So only you will have to deal with your energy and find healing and nourishment from the food completely, physically and spiritually. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.
That cinematic should be looking sweet.
Nigga, wait. How you do that?
I don't think you got it, babe. I'm sorry.
Motherfucker.